Words to know. Words to know. Ebigambo by'okumanya. Ebigambo by'okumanya. Ring. Ring. Empeta. Empeta. Ring is empeta. Noise. Noise. Kelele. Kelele. Noise is kelele. Jump. Jump. Okubuuka. Okubuuka. Jump is okubuuka. Concentrate. Concentrate. Okuteekayo ebirowoozo. Okuteekayo ebirowoozo. Concentrate is okuteekayo ebirowoozo. Careful. Careful. Okwegendereza. Okwegendereza. Careful is okwegendereza. To care. To care. Okufaayo. Okufaayo. To care is okufaayo. Preach. Preach. Okubuulira. Okubuulira. Preach is okubuulira. Preacher. Preacher. Omubuulizi. Omubuulizi. Preacher is omubuulizi. Grace. Grace. Ekisa. Ekisa. Grace is ekisa. Faith. Faith. Okukkiriza. Okukkiriza. Faith is okukkiriza. Pain. Pain. Obulumi. 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 Pain is obulumi. Heal. Heal. Okuwona. Okuwona. Heal is okuwona. Healer. Healer. Omuwonya. Omuwonya. Healer is omuwonya. Smell. Smell. Okuwunya. Okuwunya. Smell is okuwunya. Hope. Hope. Essuubi. Essuubi. Hope is essuubi. Once again, ring, empeta, noise, kelele, jump, okubuuka, concentrate, okuteekayo ebirowoozo, careful, okwegendereza, to care, okufaayo, preach, okubuulira, preacher, omubuulizi, grace, ekisa, faith, okukkiriza, pain, obulumi, heal, okuwona, healer, omuwonya, smell, okuwunya, hope, essuubi. Okay, hope you've learned those new words, of course, in English and Luganda. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, at Benny Benny, we learn with ease. Subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Bye bye. Wait about.